Okay, so if we want to keep track of essentially a list of things, we have two options right now. We have an array or an array list. If you wanted to keep track of an array, in a normal array, we would just say it's an array of lottery tickets. That's the type of thing. It's not an array of ints, it's not an array of doubles, it's an array of these objects, which are these lottery ticket objects like we see right here. So I could write it like this. I could say lottery ticket array, and I could say equals array of lottery tickets. So that would be one way to do it. I guess I'll just go ahead and finish it up here. Oops. New. Oh, I got to come up with a name. Sorry. Let's call it all tickets purchased. Call it whatever you want, but I think that's a good name. Equals new lottery ticket array. But the one thing we need to do with that is we need to give it a size. So we're going to have to make this plenty big. If we know that they're going to be, whatever, 10,000 tickets purchased, we'd have to say 10,000, okay? And then the problem, again, with arrays, one problem is that what if we don't actually purchase that many? We're going to have to add another variable here to keep track of, okay, well, we've got 10,000 capacity, but what if only, whatever, 5,000 get purchased? We got to keep track of that as well. So that would be a detail you'd have to figure out if you wanted to do it that way. But that's one option. That's an array of lottery tickets. Or again, I think the better way to do this, especially when you don't know how many things are going to be purchased or how many objects are going to end up in the list, use an array list because it automatically sizes. So every time you add a new thing to the list, it just sizes itself up. It just adds more capacity. So we don't have to worry about making sure we have enough space or something like that. So if you want to do that with an array list, you say the array list of, and inside of these little angle brackets here, we say what type of thing do we want to store? Are they integers? Are they doubles? No, they're lottery tickets. We're actually storing these objects. So array list of lottery ticket, all tickets purchased equals new array list lottery ticket, like that. Okay, so we're going to go with that option partially because I want you to see again how array lists work. But either one of those would have been fine. There's just a little more work if you do it with the array than with the array list.